How to add filters on NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process of adding filters on NanoBanana.ai. Let's get started. First, on your laptop, open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type NanoBanana.ai. Once you are in, you will see the web interface. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now scroll down until you see AI editor section. Here you will find two options, image to image and text to image. To add filters, I will select image to image and upload a photo by tapping add image. After the image is uploaded, go to the main prompt field, and this is where you will tell the AI what kind of filter you want. Simply type your instruction in natural language. For example, apply a vintage filter or make it cinematic or add a pastel or static filter. You can be as detailed as you like. Once your prompt is ready, tap the Generate Now button. Wait for a few minutes and NanoBanana.ai will process the request and apply the filters. You will see the edited photo in the open gallery. And that's it. That's how you can easily add filters on NanoBanana.ai using simple prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching.